Do you want your photos to look like this and that? Well, I guess this video is for you because I'm going to reveal what phone I use and what feature I use to achieve this amazing pro-level photography. This is me again, Liz, and welcome back again sa aking Liz Tech channel. And for today's video, ka-Techie, is I'm very excited to share my experience with this newest V series ng Vivo, the vivo V40. According to Vivo, this is their slimmest phone na may 5,500 mAh battery. And since they co-engineered with ZEISS, marami din silang bagong features na pwede nyong ma-explore like this ZEISS Multifocal Portrait, ZEISS Style Portrait, AI Aura Light Portrait din siya, and AI 3D Studio Lighting, and a lot more. Kaya marami tayong iti-test, guys. So if you wanna know more of this device, ayan, let's start, ka-Techie. As you can see, guys, andito na nga ang Vivo V40, no? Design pa lang, talagang panlaban nga. Pero etong camera muna ang talagang titingnan natin ngayon. Since palaban talaga ang camera nito, ka-Techie. So, etong si Vivo V40 pala is meron siyang 50MP main camera na may f1.9 aperture na may 24mm focal length. At eto ring secondary camera niya, guys, is 50MP din with ZEISS ultra-wide angle camera na may f2.0 aperture with 15mm focal length. At etong dalawang to pala, guys, supported with ZEISS optics. At ang kanya namang front camera is 50MP din na may 92-degree wide field of view to ensure that kahit marami kayong magsiselfie, guys, is talagang makukuha kayong lahat. So, yan, sisilipin na natin itong kanyang portrait camera mode. Sana nga dito ang ZEISS Multifocal Portrait, and you can shot 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm, guys. Etong 24mm, it's really ideal kung marami yung kukuhanan nyo or kahit mag-picture kayo ng mga beautiful scenery, guys. Perfect itong 24mm. Very nice yung shot niya. Kahit naka-wide siya, guys, sharp pa rin yung quality ng photo. Talagang clear pa rin. Now, guys, yung 35mm naman. Ang ganda rin ito, guys, if environmental photography naman or portraits naman yung gusto nyong photography. So, there makakita nyo nga kung gaano siya ka-emphasize yung image talaga. And of course, yung separation niya sa background. Then, if you want a half-body portraits naman, guys, this 50mm is the best to use. And as you can see, they're very nice and very pretty din yung outcome niya. Sobrang klaro at sobrang ganda talaga ng image, guys. Hindi mo akalain na smartphone lang yung gamit. Parang naka-mirrorless camera ka na rin. But, Vivo V40 lang yan, ka-Techie. And not only that, kapag gusto nyo naman na ma-explore ng another level of photography, may magandang features din si Vivo for that. And eto nga, yung tinatawag nilang ZEISS Style Portrait. So, dito, guys, you can capture images with this biotar effects or planar, distagon, sonar, cinematic, and cinematic flare portrait, and a lot more. And you can see there kung gaano din kaganda yung mga shots. May B-speed style bokeh din pala sa addition, and ZEISS Cine Flare Portrait. All of these, guys, is talagang magagamit mo even front. It's really nice na pwede ka makapag-explore ng iba't ibang style naman na prefer nyo. And sobrang easy lang din. Ayun yung maganda dito kay Vivo V40. User-friendly lang din. Etong mga features na ito. And now, hindi lang yan, guys, kasi meron din ditong other features like landscape portrait, meron siyang B-speed bokeh flare, meron siyang natural portrait naman for 50mm, and biotar bokeh flare. And apart from that, ka-Techie, meron din siyang Vivo color system. Pwede kayo makapag-picture dito na ZEISS natural color, vivid color, at meron ding textured colors. Depends na sa inyo kung ano yung feel nyo na color solution. Ibang level din yung datingan nito. So, depende na yan sa inyo kung ano yung style na gusto nyo rin. And not only photographies, ka-Techie, kasi even sa video, guys, ang maganda dito is makakapag-video ka with this ZEISS cinematic video bokeh. Ang maganda naman sa feature na to, ka-Techie, is talagang classic film yung atake niya, no? Very aesthetic yung kanyang setup, and it is perfect, of course, sa mga gusto ng mga cinematic scenes. And of course, if ayaw mo naman na parang may ganong effect, pwede naman din yung natural. Ang maganda din dito, ka-Techie, is meron siyang magandang focus. So, makapag-transition kayo smoothly, automatically with its ZEISS focus transition. Para talaga kayong nag-film ng movie. Pero phone ang gamit, hindi digital camera. And now, if you're gonna ask me naman, maganda rin ba siya sa low light shots at least? Yes, of course, kasi meron din siyang AI Aura Light Portrait Plus, etong kanyang AI 3D Studio Lightings para mas magiging natural yung portraits at of course, para ma-enhance din yung low light shots. Ayun yung purpose din netong AI 3D Studio Lightings. Parang dala-dala nyo lang yung studio nyo. Kahit saan, pwede kayo makapag-picture at ayan, makukuha naman niya yung magandang outcome din kasi clear din at natural talaga yung portraits even in low light shots. Sa kanyang selfie cam naman, ang nagustuhan ko dito guys is wide yung coverage niya. So kung mahilig kayong mag-selfie with your friends, talagang ma-emphasize yung images kahit marami pa kayo nagsiselfie. Ayan. So apart from that guys, marami pa akong nakita dito maganda kay vivo V40 ngayon. Kasi since FunTouch OS 14 na siya, meron din siyang features na sikat na rin ngayon, which is the AI eraser. So yes, you can erase photo bombers effortlessly with this feature guys. At yun na guys, nakita nyo na yung camera performance ito. At talaga namang impressive, no? Pro level talaga yung datingan ng camera nito, pinakabagong vivo V40. Nakita nyo naman yung ating mga sample shots. Kaya naman, ano pa ba yung maganda sa kanya? Well, obviously, kitang-kita nyo naman yung kanyang design. Yes guys, ito yung isa sa na-appreciate ko din dito sa phone na ito. Sobrang komportable lang akong dalhin to kahit saan because it is lightweight and maganda yung grip niya sa hand kasi curved na yung screen niya. And apart from that, pwede ko siyang ilagay sa bulsa ko na hindi ako makaka-feel ng bulkiness kasi nga manipis lang talaga yung device na to. So, etong color na meron tayo is ang kanilang Nebula Purple. So, marami din naman siyang other choices which is the Sun Glow Peach and Stellar Silver. Hindi ko nga lang sure kung available yan dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. Pero guys, ang ganda ng Stellar Peach din. Aminin natin. Pero of course, maganda rin naman itong Nebula Purple. And this one guys is Fluoride AG na yung back niya. So, maganda dito, hindi siya basta-bastang madumihan. Kasi ayoko yung madaling madikitan ng mga fingerprints. Annoying din laging linis ang linis. And then guys, etong kanyang camera module, no, that they call it Gemini ring designs. Very aesthetic and pleasing talaga siya tingnan. So, neat lang din siya guys. It's nice that the design of the screen is curved para mas maganda yung viewing experience as well as yung grip din niya sa hand is very comfortable. So, yun, even sa design guys, hindi rin papatay itong vivo V40. So, now sa performance naman tayo, ka-Techie. So, eto si vivo V40 is powered lang naman siya ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. And this chipset naman, alam natin na smooth talaga yung performance ito. It also enhanced clarity and color optimization, especially sa gaming, guys. And sa Honor of Kings, kaya po niyo yung ultra frame rate and ultra settings. And yes, amazing din po yung gaming performance ito kasi napakalinaw din and napaka-smooth din ng gaming performance kasi 120Hz na rin po kasi ito. Kaya ganda rin yung kanyang transitions. I also like the graphic. I-add pa nga natin na 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen na rin siya. Kaya ganito po agad yung viewing experience din. Another thing na nagustuhan ko rin pala dito guys is yung battery niya. So, kahit manipis lang yung phone na to, malaki yung battery nito guys. So, may 5,500 mAh battery siya. And we also tested the battery. And there makakita nyo na ang bilis-bilis din po niyang i-charge kasi 80 watt flash charge na rin po siya. So, ayan, makita nyo naman dyan in short span of time, mabilis po siyang umakyat no, yung percentage na kanyang battery. So, more or less 1 hour guys, fully charged agad etong phone na ito. And of course, yung kanya namang battery consumption guys, as we tested it, solid din po yung battery consumption. Especially if mag-scrolling lang kayo, social media or normal use lang talaga, magtatagal siya in a day. Based on our experiences, ilang weeks na rin naman to sa amin at nakita kong matagal at makunat talaga yung battery niya. Not unless kung magi-gaming ka straight kasi yun, kukuha talaga siyang malaking battery capacity. Especially kapag yung setting mo is mabigat na setting din. Pero kapag normal setting lang and hindi naman straight yung gaming, talagang solid to. And apart from that, hindi ka naman mag-worry kung i-charge siya kasi ang bilis lang talaga niyang i-charge din. Hindi ka naman mag-aantay ng sobrang tagal na oras para magamit ulit siya. So, yan sa storage and RAM naman ito guys. Ang maganda rito kay vivo V40 is meron siyang 12GB RAM at Up to 512GB naman din yung high capacity memory ito. So, enough space na yan guys for your photos, videos, and even your files, documents. Ayan, hindi na yan basta-bastang mapupuno din. And now guys, pagdating naman sa speaker, ayan, dual stereo speaker na rin to. Kaya malakas na rin ang speaker niya. Maganda yung kanyang 3D stereo sound. Rich yung kanyang bass. At even playing video, no? Or manood kayo ng mga movies na gusto nyo. Ayan, may enjoy nyo siya kasi loud yung speaker niya din at hindi basag. When it comes to durability naman, kahit mahulog to guys, hindi to basta-basta masira din. Itong kanyang body, IP68 and IP69 din po siya. So kahit mabasa siya, tapunan siya ng tubig, hindi din siya basta-basta ding masira. So ano pa bang hindi niya kayang gawin for today's video? Nakita niyo naman yung mga testing natin and obviously talagang competitive naman din talaga ito. So ngayon sa price naman ito, obviously this is a mid-range phone. So nagkakalaga po ang 12GB and 256GB variant ng 26,999 SRP and yung 512GB variant naman is nagkakalaga po siya ng 29,999. And yes po, you can purchase this sa Shopee, Lazada, and of course sa kanilang Vivo website din. Ibibigay ko yung mga links nila sa description box. And additionally, sa mga gusto naman na mag-pre-order, ayan, from September 17 to September 27 lamang, you have to pay 500 down payment to avail yung pre-order unit. And of course, yung customer naman is magkakaroon ng 2,000 discount from the SRP. So, magandang offer na yon. And yung pre-order voucher ka-Techies, mabibigay yan sa customer upon pre-order din. And it is required upon claiming from September 28 to October 16. And may freebie din siya ka-Techies. So, yung freebie niya is TWS 3E worth 1,999. So, yun guys, sa mga gusto ma-purchase ito, avail nyo na agad yung pre-order para mas maka-discount kayo. May mga vouchers and makakakuha kayo ng mga freebies din. So, yun. So far, nagustuhan ko to. Base experience ko naman, guys, masabi ko talagang eto yung best portrait phone ever this year 2024. So far sa test ko dito. And even yung performance niya as a whole talaga guys is palaban ang phone na to ngayon sa market. Especially if you're looking for a pro level camera phone. Very comfy, very compact. And also if you're looking for a phone na talaga nandito na lahat, no, solid sa hardware, software, performance. Talagang eto marirecommend ko. This is the best upgrade that you can have this year 2024 guys. So ayun lang ka-Techies. Sobrang na-enjoy ako dito sa phone na to. So far, yun pa naman yung masasabi ko sa kanya sa ngayon. And wala naman akong nakikitang hindi maganda dito sa ngayon. Yun, maraming po salamat ka-Techie sa panonood na aking video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again ka-Techie till my next video. Bye!